Unity Precision Manufacturing is a contract manufacturer specializing in precision machining for medical devices, implants, and complex commercial components. We offer CNC milling for complex parts with tight tolerances, using advanced software and multi-axis machines for fast turnaround. Our milling services support metals, plastics, and composites, providing scalable production from prototyping to high-volume runs. We provide CNC turning for cylindrical components and parts, enabling contouring, grooving, and threading in a single setup. Our Swiss machining delivers ultra-precise, small-diameter parts with simultaneous turning and milling, ideal for intricate designs. We offer advanced thread whirling and high-speed spindle capabilities to reduce cycle time and support precision-driven output. Our engineering and sales teams offer Design for Manufacturing, or DFM. We collaborate closely with clients to optimize designs for manufacturability. Our wire EDM cuts complex profiles in conductive materials like titanium, carbide, and stainless steel using a non-contact spark erosion process. Our laser marking process creates high-contrast permanent marks for logos, serial numbers, barcodes, and part identification across production lines. With full traceability and customization, our laser marking supports compliance, branding, and lifecycle tracking. We provide medical contract manufacturing for implants, surgical instruments, and critical healthcare application components. We provide commercial contract manufacturing, along with complex assembly capabilities for many industries. ISO 9001 and ISO 13485 certified and FDA registered. Contact us today for all your contract manufacturing needs.